If I had to start over in Python programming, here are 5 steps I did take to accelerate my journey. Step 1, I will start the transition today. Everyone believes it takes 6 to 12 months to transition, but it does not. You can start thinking and acting like a Python programmer today. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Begin today. Step 2, I will focus less on mastering every skill. This is one obstacle that holds a lot of people back from learning Python programming. Yes, skills are important, but no one has mastered every single skill, including me, and you won't be the first. Focus on getting your foot in the door before worrying if you know every Python library. And step 3, I will build a portfolio early. Projects are the cheat code to breaking into Python programming. Build projects early and often to showcase in your portfolio. As you learn Python basics, build at least 2 projects with it, then move to the next skill. And step 4, I will focus on growing my network. It is not what you know, it is who you know. You can be the best Python programmer on earth, but if you don't have the right connections, you won't get hired easily. This is where LinkedIn and local tech networking events come in. And step 5, I will skip advanced topics initially. Now, don't get me wrong, I love advanced Python topics, but you can land your first programming job without them. Learn the basics, land an entry level job, and learn the other stuff on the job. It is best to get paid to learn. If you want more tips and tutorials on Python programming, then join my Facebook community where I share daily Python programming tips and tutorials. I have a vibrant community where you can learn, network, and interact with members of the community. The link is in the description box below this video. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found value in this video. Subscribe so you don't miss out on my next video.